To avoid future payment blocks on Steam, it's important to understand the common reasons for these issues and take proactive measures. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother experience with your transactions. Step 1. Check payment method validity. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Use a consistent payment method. Stick to one or two payment methods that you regularly use. Frequent changes in payment methods can raise flags and lead to payment blocks. Step 3. Keep account information updated. Regularly update your account information, including your billing address and contact details. Inconsistent information can cause payment verification issues. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication on your Steam account. This adds an extra layer of security and can help prevent unauthorized transactions. Step 5. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Steam support immediately. By following these steps, you can reduce the likelihood of payment blocks on Steam and enjoy a seamless gaming experience.